You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Shine, Jesus, you shine for all the...
Kahit gaano kahirap, kahit parang imposible, kahit paulit-ulit kang madapa, bumagsak, mapanghinaan, piliin mo pa ring tumayo, magpatuloy at ilaban.
Dahil hindi maikli ang kamay ng Diyos para abutin ka. Hindi din siya bulag o bingi para hindi niya makita o marinig ang mga pangarap na minsan mong sinumbong sa Kanya.
Galatians 6:9 says, "Let us not become weary in doing good.
For at the proper time, we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." I am Diane Nolido.
I am BJ Nolido.
I am an agent of hope and I am worldwide.